world. I am Anigil of class 5B. As we are celebrating June 19 as National Reading Day, in the honor of late P.N. Panikkar, the father of library movement. In this occasion, I would like to share the review of my favorite story, the story of Eklavya in Mahabharata. Before that, let me tell you a few words about Mahabharata. Mahabharata is a literary treasure written by the legendary sage Vedavyasa. Even though it is difficult for a child to read and analyze, but it has countless short stories that teach valuable lessons in ethics and morality. Eklavya, the main character, teaches an important lesson. If we are determined in our goal, nothing can stop us from reaching it. And God help those who help themselves. Better late than never. Come friends, let's together make books our best companion. And remember, reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body.
Namaste. Once again, the month of June has come around to remind us all the importance of reading books. India celebrates National Reading Day on June 19th in honor of P.N. Panikkar, the father of India's library movement. In relation to the National Reading Day, I would like to share my experience of reading the book Birthday Boy, written by David Baddiel. It is about a 10-year-old boy named Samuel Green who is very excited for his upcoming birthday. So much so that he wishes that his birthday was every day. Guess what? His wish comes true. Every day is his birthday. At first it is very exciting. But after some time, his room is stuffed with presents and he couldn't take it anymore. Reading about Samuel's adventurous life and what he does to get his normal life back was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ritu Basan Kanat, studying in 5B. We are celebrating National Reading Day on June 19th every year to promote the importance of reading among students. Reading helps us to improve our knowledge, concentration and vocabulary. There are some books that touch our lives in a very special way. Today, I would love to share a review of a book that melted my heart deeply. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. This book is very informative and it shows how the Jews were treated by the Nazis when Hitler was in rule during the Second World War time. Anne, who belongs to a Jewish family, was living a beautiful life until the situations became bad and they were forced to hide in a secret place in her father's office room. Anne started sharing her thoughts with her diary by naming it as Kitty. Through the pages, we see how Anne felt the fear of death, the fear of hiding, and the change she saw in her life in the span of 2 years from 1942 to 1944. This book was originally published in the Dutch language and was later translated into English and many more languages and now is considered as a classic. I really recommend all of you to read this book once in your lifetime because it's really heartwarming and so I love this book very much. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Abhijita from 5B. I am standing before you to say some words about the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's written by Roald Dahl. The story is about a 11-year-old boy, Charlie Bucket, who lives on the outskirts of the town with his poverty-stricken family, his parents and all grandparents. Charlie's father works hard in a toothpaste factory, but no matter how hard he works, he never makes enough money to feed his family. Charlie loves chocolate and gets one chocolate bar for his birthday every year. The great Willy Wonka's factory was close to where Charlie lives. Mr. Willy Wonka shut himself from the public years before because his workers were selling his new ideas to rival companies. Later, the factory was in production. One day, Wonka announced he has hidden golden tickets in 5 Wonka chocolate bars with the price of 2 to the factory and lifetime supplies of Wonka products for each child who finds a ticket. The first 4 tickets was found by Glutinous Augustus Globe, spoiled Veruca salt, chewing gum addicted Violet Burgrade, TV addicted Mike TV. Will Charlie get the 5th ticket? Read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Apurva Sandeep of class 5B. On the occasion of Reading Week, I would like to share my review of the book The Great Stories for Children by the famous writer Ruskin Bond. Before getting started, let me tell you a few words about the author. He has been writing for more than 6 decades. His writings include poems, short stories, novels, etc. Ruskin Bond has received many awards and recognitions. In this book, we will not find a single continuous story. As the title suggests, this book is a collection of 19 short, interesting stories. The writing is simple and easy to understand. The stories featured in this book are a mixture of emotions, while some are thrilling, some others are humorous and heart-touching. The last section being an autobiography of the author. There are some interesting characters like Tutu, the monkey, Miss Mackenzie of Mulberry Lodge, a troublesome pet, etc. I just love this book. If you love reading about nature and animal stories, this is the perfect book for you. I strongly recommend this book in a must-read category, especially for beginners. Thank you.
Namaste to all. I am Jayan Dandlal of class 5B. As you all know, today is 19th June, observed as National Reading Day. I recently read a book named 365 Moral Stories. It teaches us moral values in our life, like number 1, be thankful for what you are. Number 2, never give up. Number 3, an act of kindness can change someone's life. I believe that this book will be very useful because it will teach us moral values which we can practice in our daily lives. So I recommend all of you to read this book. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Pranay Rahul. I am studying in class 5B in Kulapati Munshi Bhavans Vidya Mandir, Portur. As we all know, we are observing Reading Week Vayana Varam from June 19 to 25th. It is necessary for us kids to read books. Reading books helps us to improve our language skills and also helps us to increase our knowledge. These are the books I have. A whole collection of Geronimo Stilton's books, Sudhamurthy books, Amar Chitra Katha books and Ramayana Mahabharata comics. Today I would like to talk about the famous 5 book, 5 on a Treasure Island. The author of this book is Enid Blyton. So this is a story of 4 kids, Julian, Dick, George, Annie and their dog Timmy. Julian, Dick and Annie were spending their vacation with cousin George and her dog Timmy. While exploring Kiran Island, they made a thrilling discovery which leads them deep into the dungeons of Kiran Castle. This is a very exciting, adventurous and thrilling book. I would really suggest you all to read this book. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tash Bhatti. I am in standard 5B. Today I am going to review about my book on behalf of Reading Day. So reading is a good habit that generates new ideas and good communication skills. So my favorite book is 365 Question and Answers. There are 365 questions based on our earth, human body, animals, insects, space, etc. So one can read each question a day and understand it in a real manner. So I especially want to recommend this book to all my friends to enhance the knowledge. So the publisher of this book is Om Books. So this was all about my book and reading day. Thank you everyone.
Everyone, I am Ishandias of class 5B from KMBVM Pottur. I am here to share with you one of the book I read, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. This book is about a 11-year-old boy called Charlie Bucket and his adventures inside the chocolate factory of a person Willy Wonka. About the author, do you know that he was a fighter pilot and a spy? He is considered as one of the greatest storytellers for kids. His other books are Matilda, Fantastic Mr. Fox, James and the Giant Peach. In this book, Charlie, who always gets a cabbage soup for breakfast, lunch, dinner, gets the golden ticket inside a chocolate wrap. This brings him to Willy Wonka's magical chocolate factory. There are 4 more children who gets this similar tickets. Inside the factory, they are surprised to see chocolate river, chocolate waterfall, chocolate, many other colors of chocolate and lots more. In between the story, you will know that Willy Wonka started this contest with a hidden plan in his mind. This book tells us that honesty and good behavior gets us reward. So I recommend this book to all my friends. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Mother and today I am going to recite an English story. Long, long ago, there lived a group of birds. One day, we assembled together and decided to select a new king for them because most of them were unhappy with the present King Garuda. After a long discussion, they decided to elect all as a new king. Some birds started preparation for the coronation of the new king. Suddenly, a crow raised any objection, saying that all is an ugly bird and during daytime he is fine. He will kill almost all other birds. The coronation ceremony was postponed. Meanwhile, the owl asked one of his dependents, what is happening there? Adjutant said that a crow has raised arguments against the old family. He said owl is unfit to become the king. Hence, the coronation ceremony is cancelled. Later, the crow realized his mistake. It was too late. Think twice before you do or say something. Thank you.
Namaste teachers and friends. My name is Jahnavi. Today I am going to tell something regarding a book read by me. Friends Behind the Words, written by Harshika Udasi. Her other famous books are The Lucky Girl, Kittu's Very Mad Day. Kittu's Very Mad Day. The main character of this book is Putty, Neela Boy. He wants to spend vacation in Dolly to play with Tino. But his parents told him not to play with Tino. Putty was curious about the reason behind it. The children tries to solve the reason behind it. And they solve it. The author has presented beautifully about it. I love this book. I recommend all